Hi everybody, it's Tuesday, March 16th, and this is your Async ELA lesson. Today it's a quick short video just to go over the instructions on what to do. It's been a while since we've worked on the City Mouse, Country Mouse story. I'll tell you, the days just kind of tick away and we have so many other things that we have to squeeze in. So hopefully you know where that story is. Remember, we did our rough draft on the graphic organizer. Then we went through and we made all of our little editing marks on it. Remember, we had that little lesson about how to use our editing checklist. So this should have a bunch of marks on it. Okay, so now what you need to do is we are going to take this and we are going to rewrite it onto our final copy paper. So the final copy paper that you need to find is in the new baggie, because these lines are smaller than the papers that you got at the beginning of the year. So bag number 5 has the papers, a whole bunch of lined papers, a bunch of different kinds of blank paper, all paper clipped together. And this one has the picture box at the top. And if you look really closely, you'll see that these lines are a lot smaller. Okay, so make sure you're finding that one. You will need this one. And then if you think that your writing is long and you might need 2 pages, there should be some blank ones in the back that don't have a picture box. And this would be page number 2 if you need it. Okay. All right. So let's go through this and make sure that we know exactly what we're going to do. And then I'm going to give you the rest of the time to write. All right. So if we're here, just don't forget to write your name, date, and number at the top. Today's date is 3-16-21. Don't forget your number. All right. Now you're going to do the picture at the end. Okay. So I want you to wait on the picture, but you do need to do a picture at the end. And remember, my rule about pictures is that the whole entire box needs to be colored in. Okay. So you need to add lots of details. You can't just draw a little thing in the middle and be done and have all this white space all around it. Okay, so take some time to do that well. Now, I want you on this very first line to think of a title. Okay, and it might just be, you might just want to put City Mouse, Country Mouse and put a question mark after it. Or you might want to say Mouse in the City, Mouse from the Country, Mouse, whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so or you can even just put the title that's at the top of your graphic organizer, The City Mouse and Country Mouse, although that's really long and you might not be able to fit it on there. I would just do City Mouse or Country Mouse. That's what I would do. So right here on the line, I'm going to try to center. I'm going to try to think about how long it would be. And I'm just going to do City Mouse or Country Mouse. Ooh, and I almost didn't center it. Okay, City Mouse or Country Mouse. And I guess I could put a question mark at the end, although it doesn't need to have a question mark. But you can make up whatever title you want, put it in the middle, and put a line under it so that I know it's your title. Okay, now I want to just remind you the little skill or the little strategy I want you to use when you are copying. So you have your paper here and you probably have lots of marks all over it. Okay. Remember to go line by line. Okay. So you're going to start on the next line down here and you're going to start with we read or whatever it was that your topic top bun had. So in my little thing here, I've got we read the, oops, I would need a capital there, and see, I would need to erase and make it look right because this is your final copy. You don't want to have mistakes and erase marks showing all over the place. So make sure that you're making it look nice. We read the City Mouse and the Country Mouse. I can't remember. Was it City Mouse and Country Mouse or was it Country Mouse and City Mouse? It doesn't really matter. It does, but it doesn't. All right, I'm just going to say the City Mouse and the Country Mouse in class. Period. Now, when you need to go to the next line, remember that you're going to slide it down so that you have your next one available. I would rather be A, and you keep going. Remember, you go all the way across the line before you go down to the next line. And remember, you should be starting at the left and you should be going all the way to the right before you move down. I would rather be a, okay? Whatever it is that you chose. Now remember, you are not going to carry all of these other marks over. You're going to make sure that you corrected everything, right? And you're going to make sure that you write the corrected. You're going to make sure that you corrected everything. And so it's going to be all corrected with a good finger space. You don't want to have any of these mistakes or marks on your final copy, okay? So, for instance, in this one, I would make sure that I have a capital T. I would make sure I have a finger space. I would make sure to spell that right. I would slide down. I would make sure to have that period with the capital right after it. I would make sure that I did not have a capital C. Okay, so as you go through your page and you move line by line, make sure that you're looking at all your marks and that you're fixing them and making sure that they're right. Okay? All right. I really don't want to take up a whole lot of your time. So remember, move line from line from line, and don't forget the last sentences here at the bottom. Okay? And then when you're done writing, you can fill in this box with a picture of your mouse, you being a mouse in the city or you being a mouse in the country, and try to add some details in there. I want the whole box to be colored in. All parts of that box need to have color. Okay? When you're all done, take a picture of it and upload it to the Google Classroom. All right, I'll give you the rest of the time to do that, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.